Welcome to Nelson's Primary School. Dear students, today I will explain you the story Why Third. Before that, we will drill some unknown words. So kindly drill along with me. Number 1. Narrator, narrator. Narrator, narrator. Narrator. Number 2. British, British. 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 Number 3. Passerby. 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 Number 4. Gandhiji. 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 England. England. Number 6. South. Africa. South Africa. South. Africa. South Africa. South. Africa. South Africa. Number 7. Mahatma. Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma. Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma. Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Independence. 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 Number 9. Cheap. 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 Number 10. Costly. 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 Number 11. Ticket. 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 Number 12. Carriage. 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 Number 13. Important. 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 Number 14. Leader. 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 Number 15. Crowd. 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 Number 16. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Number 17. Bapuji. 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 Number 18. Compartment. 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 Number 19. Crowded. 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 Number 20. Americans. Americans. Americans, Americans. Number 21. Foreign, foreign. Foreign, foreign. Foreign. 22. Guests, guests. Guests, guests. Guests. 23. Breathing, breathing. 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 24. Wiping, wiping. 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 25. Forehead, forehead. 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 26. New York, York. New York. York. New York. York. New York. 27. Laughing. 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 28. Comfortable, comfortable. 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 29. Comfort. 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 30. Good, BYE, bye, goodbye. Good, BYE, bye, goodbye. Good, BYE, bye, goodbye. 31. Fourth. 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 32. Travel. 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 33. Third. 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 34. Country. 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 35. Really. 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 Now students, I will tell you some meanings regarding the story. Listen carefully. Number 1. Narrator. A person who narrates something, especially a character who recounts the events of a novel or narrative poem. Number 2. Cheap. Low in price, especially in relation to similar items or services. Number 3. Costly. Costing a lot. Expensive. Number 4. Carriage. Any of the separate section of a train that carries passenger. Number 5. Compartment. A separate section or part of a structure or container. Number 6. Crowded. A large number of persons. 7. Foreign. Situated outside a place or country specially. Number 8. Whipping. Clean or dry something by rubbing with a cloth, a piece of paper or one's hand. Okay students, now I will explain you the story. Listen carefully. Then I will ask you few questions regarding the story. Okay, students. Now, in this story, there is Mr. Gandhiji and three American men and a lady. Now we'll see what happens in the story. So listen carefully about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. He was born at Porbandar in Rajkot state. He was born in a rich family. He studied in Gujarat and then he went to England to study law. After completing his studies in law in 1893, he went to South Africa. One day he was traveling in train. That time a white man came and told Gandhiji that he is not supposed to sit here. This is the first class compartment and it is for white people, not for the black people. Gandhiji said, I have a ticket, so why should I go? So when Gandhiji refused to go out, the man threw him out of the train. So then Gandhiji decided to stay in South Africa and fight for discrimination being faced by India there. Then he came back to India and started a movement to make the people aware that all must help to free India from the British rule. He used non-violence method and fought for India's independence and wore only khadi clothes. He went all over India by train to meet people and to speak to them. In those days, there were 3 classes in our train. First class ticket was very costly. Second and third, the first class ticket was very costly, only for the rich people. They would travel. Second class ticket was a little less cost. And the third class was very cheap, so the poor people could travel. And in the third class, all the people would sit anywhere on the floor. So now students, this was a short story about Mahatma Gandhi. Now I will explain you the lesson. Listen carefully. One day there were 3 American men and 1 lady who came to India to meet Gandhiji. They were waiting on the platform. First man said, "Where is Mr. Gandhi? The train has just arrived." Second man said, "Gandhiji is an important leader, so he will be in the first class carriage." First man said, "Come on, then let's go there and meet him." Third man said, "No, there's no crowd near the first class compartment, so he will not be there." The woman said, "Then let's go near the second class carriage. There is a little crowd over there, so he might be there." Then the first man asked a man passing by the train. He asked that, "Would you please tell us where is Mr. Gandhi? We want to meet him. He is not in the first class compartment. So please tell us where he is." Then the passerby laughs and says that Bapuji never travels first class. He is in the third class compartment. Come along with me. I will take you. I am also going to meet him. Then the Americans go near the third class compartment, where there is too much crowd. The first man says, "This compartment is so crowded and dirty." Then the second man says, "Look at the seats. They are made of wood. And they are so hard." And the woman says, "Even the people are sitting on the floor." But look, there is Mr. Gandhi. He is just getting down from the train. Come, let's hurry and meet him before he goes. Gandhiji sees the American people and tells to the people that, "Friends, we have some foreign guests. Please move aside and make way for them. They are not used to the crowds and the heat." Then the first man says, he first wipes his sweat from his forehead and says, "Thank you, Mr. Gandhi. You are so kind and helpful. And really, it's too hot over here and crowded place." Second man says, "Mr. Gandhi, we have come from New York, specially to meet you and ask you few questions." "So can we ask you questions?" Gandhiji says, "Yes, but I am in a hurry. But sure, I will answer your one question if you wish." Then the woman says, "Mr. Gandhi, why don't you travel first class? Why do you travel third class?" Gandhiji laughs and says, "I travel third class because there is no fourth class." The woman also laughs and says, "But third class is so uncomfortable and you are an important man, so you should travel in comfort." Gandhiji says, "No, I am not important. The poor people of my country are important. They always travel third class. So I also travel third class and I am happy to travel third class with my people. So now I have to go. So please let me go. Thank you and goodbye to all of you." Thank you, students. Now students, once again I will narrate the story. Listen carefully. Now, narrator 1. All of you have heard about Mahatma Gandhi. He lived many years ago when India was trying hard to become free from the British. He was born in a rich family. He went to England to study law. Then he went to South Africa. From there he came back to India. In India, he led the fight for India's independence. He went all over India to meet people and speak to them. He went everywhere by train. In those days, there were 3 classes in our train. A first class ticket was very costly. The second class ticket cost a little less, and the third class ticket was very cheap. The third class was for people who were very poor. Now, first man, where's Mr. Gandhi? His train has just come in. Second man, I can see a first class carriage over there, pointing to the right. Mr. Gandhi is an important leader, so he must be in the first class. First man, then let's go look for him there. Come, we will meet him in his carriage. Third man, no, There's no one near the first class carriage. He can't be there. If he's there, there will be a crowd around him. Woman, maybe he's in one of the second class carriage. There are lots of people there. Let's ask someone. First man, to a man passing by. Excuse me, could you tell us where Mr. Gandhi is? We want to meet him. He is not in the first class carriage. Passerby, Bapuji in the first class? Laugh. Bapuji never goes first class. He's in that third class compartment where the crowd is. Points to the front. Come, I'll take you. I'm going there myself. First man, it's so crowded and so dirty. Second man, and the seats, have you seen them? They are made of wood. They are so hard. How can anyone sit on them? Woman, there are people sitting on the floor. But look, there's Mr. Gandhi. He's just getting up. He's moving to the door. Come, hurry. Let's meet him before he leaves. Now, Gandhiji, friends, we have some foreign guests. Make a little way for them. They are not used to our crowds or to the heat. First man, breathing hard, wiping his forehead. Thank you, Mr. Gandhi. You are very kind. Yes, it is very crowded and it is very hot. Second man, Mr. Gandhi, we have come from New York to meet you. May we ask you a few questions? Gandhiji, well, I am in a hurry just now, but I will answer one question if you want. Woman, Mr. Gandhi, I have a question. Why don't you travel first class on a train? Why do you always travel third class? Gandhiji, laughing. Why do I travel third class on a train? That's easy to answer, young lady. I travel third because there is no fourth class. Woman, she too laughs. But the third class is so uncomfortable. Mr. Gandhi, you are an important man. You should travel in comfort. Gandhiji, no, I am not important. The poor people of my country are important. They travel third class, so I travel third too. And now I really must go, so goodbye. Okay students, I hope you understood the story. Now I will ask you a few questions regarding the story. Okay students, now I will ask you a few questions. Number 1. Whom were the Americans looking for? Answer. The Americans were looking for Gandhiji. Number 2. Why did they look for Gandhiji in the first class compartment? Answer. They looked for Gandhiji in the first class compartment because Gandhiji was an important leader, so they thought he must be in the first class compartment. Number 3. What made them think that he was not in the first class compartment? According to them, if Gandhiji was in the first class compartment, crowd should be there, but they found that there was no one around first class. Number 4. To whom did they ask about Gandhiji? Answer. They asked to a passerby about Gandhiji. Number 5. What did the passerby say about Gandhiji and first class? Answer. The passerby said that Bapuji never travels in the first class. He is in the third class. Number 6. How were the seats of third class compartment? Answer. The seats were made of wood and were very hard. Number 7. Where were the people sitting in the third class compartment? Answer. The people were sitting on the floor. Number 8. What did Gandhiji say to the people? Answer. Gandhiji said, "Friends, we have some foreign guests. Make a little way for them." Number 9. what did the first man say? Answer. The first man thanked Gandhiji and said, "You are very kind." Number 10. What did the second man say to Gandhiji? Answer. The second man said, "Mr. Gandhi, we have come from New York to meet you. May we ask you few questions?" Number 11. What did Gandhiji say? Answer. Gandhiji said, "I will answer only one question." Number 12. What did the woman ask Gandhiji? The woman asked Gandhiji, "Why don't you travel in first class on a train? Why do you always travel third class?" Number 13. What did Gandhiji say to the woman? Answer. Gandhiji said, "That's easy to answer, young lady. I travel third class because there is no fourth class." Okay students, I hope you understood the story. Thank you.